Hey Algebra 2, okay, this is lesson 83. I only did one lesson today to give you a little bit more time on your infographics, so let's get into it. We're talking about variable exponents, so that means that what is all this stuff up here? How are we supposed to be simplifying it when our exponents look ridiculous and crazy? Well, it's actually really easy. You just need to combine like terms, okay? So what does that mean? Look what I'm going to do. You don't have to do it. I'm just showing this as a visual. You don't have to do this when you do your homework. But I'm going to move it down. I have xa with x to the a over 2. And then over here, y to the 2x and y to the 3x plus 4. So I'm just 3x over 4. So I'm just going to combine those because they have the bases that are the same, which means we're going to be adding these exponents. A plus a over 2. Okay, well, in order to have a common denominator, again, I'm writing way more than I would ever write in my homework, but just to show you how. My common denominator is 2 between these two, so this is felt to the 2, so I put 2a plus a. So what is my answer going to be for x? You can still see it, yes. It's going to be 2a plus a is 3a, so 3a over 2, right? That's going to be your x. Now your y is going to be 2x plus 3x over 4, so my common denominator is going to be 4. That'll be 8x for this one plus 3x. So your y will be 11x over 4. And that's as far as you can simplify it, just combining the like terms, okay? And making sure your common denominator is correct, etc. Let's look at example 2. X to the a minus 2, y to the a plus 4, all over x to the a over 2, y to the 2a. Okay, and this way that we're going to be combining these, we need to bring these exponents up to here to combine them, which means you're going to be subtracting when it's division. So what you're really going to have is x to the a minus 2 minus a over 2. And y to the a plus 4 minus 2a. Okay, this becomes negative, this becomes negative, right? So here we go, let's find our common denominator here is 2 again. This is false with a 2, so you're going to multiply 2 here, 2a minus 4 minus a, right? And then this one's going to not have a common denominator, woo, that we have to find, so we're just going to add and subtract. A minus 2a is negative a plus 4. So my answer now is going to be x to the 2a minus a is a minus 4 over 2, and y is to the negative a plus 4. And that is your whole answer. They simplify it even more to say this is a over 2 minus 4 over 2, which is 4 over 2 is 2. But you can leave it like this or simplify it even a little bit more. Okay, look at example 3. Now example 3, you got to pay attention. This is not the same exponent rule. This is where there's an exponent inside the parenthesis and an exponent outside the parenthesis. So what are you going to be doing? You're not adding these together. Like if this was x to the 2, you would add the exponents together. But since it's just an exponent outside, you need to multiply the exponents together. So it's going to be x to the a times 2 is 2a. 2 times 2 is 4. X to the 2a plus 4. Okay? And the last one is example 4 that we can let you do the practice to make sure that you understand. X to the a times b. Y to the a times b plus 2. Now, can you just go ahead and automatically distribute these exponents? Of course you can. Okay, you could just write x to the ab, y to the ab plus 2a, and then this after that. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to move this one over here, x to the a. It's already negative, so I'm going to change the sign to make it positive and get it off the bottom. Okay, then I'm going to distribute my exponents before I combine these two x's. So that's going to be x to the ab, y to the ab plus 2a, plus x to the a, right? Then combine these, it's going to be x to the ab plus a, y to the ab plus 2a. Okay, I almost wrote on my shirt. And that is going to be your answer there. Don't be tempted to just because you see an AB here and an AB here, that must mean that you can bring those together. You cannot, because the base is different. Okay, go ahead and try the the practices, and I'll come back and show you how we got those answers. Okay, here are your answers for letter A. Is x to the 6m over 5, a to the 7x over 2. B is m to the 2a over 3 minus 2, or 2a minus 6 over 3. And p to the negative a plus 1. And c is m to the xc plus x, and z to the m plus 3. I couldn't read that 3 because I put the orange there. Okay, how did we get that? We did, I combined the x's here, so it's m plus m over 5, so I make a 5m plus m over 5, which is 6m over 5. 3x plus x over 2 is 6x plus x over 2, so you get 7x over there. Here I combine the m and the p automatically, so you have a minus 2 minus a over 3, and p is a plus 1 minus 2a. Find my common denominator of 3, and I get 3a minus 6 minus a over 3, so that's going to be 3a minus a is 2a over 3, and negative 6 over 3 is negative 2. And this one's p to the negative a plus 1, because you just combine those without a common denominator, because you don't need one because there's no fractions. Here I automatically multiplied this exponents and brought this one up, changing the sign to m to the x. So I did m x to the z m to the plus 3, m to the x. I combined these two. They're not like terms here and here, so you have to go xz plus x, and then left this one the same. If you have any questions, just let me know. Bye, guys.